Okay, look at that. I've gone all the way up to, let me see, what is this? 240 grit, that's fine. Now I'm going to apply some finish to this, some very special finish. Now this is in two parts, and this is an Australian made product. Okay, and you go to their website, it's U-Butte, and I use this for everything, and it's friction polishes, and it's put on in two different applications. This is the wax, this is ultra sheen wax, and then the glow as a top coat. So that's what we're going to do next now. Just apply the wax. A bit more on the rag. Sufficient onto the material. Now you apply a bit of friction. So you want to get some warmth into it. Cotton rag is the best, I've found anyway. A lot of people use paper. Okay, that's one coat, that's the wax. Beautiful. Look at that. Now the glow. Just pour some on a rag. A bit of friction. It'll come up like glass. This is one of the wood turning secrets, I think. This is how you get a high class finish on your wood pieces, and that's friction polish, a two-pack then, as it were. Perfect result, look at that. Glistens, doesn't it, with all the different sort of colours. Beautiful. It's stained through there, as in the wood, but it's gorgeous. That's what I wanted to keep. I wanted to show that off. That's why I did a long sloping side like that. Isn't that lovely? Feels like silk.